Math 140, week number 6, back for the new topic, sampling and probability. We got 2 videos, but this is going to be a remarkably simple video, and I'll show you why. Because if questions 1, 2, and 3, if I'm asking about sampling method, I'm talking about biased samples, sampling method and biased results, surveys, biased results. If I'm talking about all those sort of things, we could sit here and have a video where I tell you all the different topics of surveys and all the different types, and it would be a 10-minute video. It'd be very boring. Instead, I'm just going to do this. I know it's kind of lazy, but it's going to be more interesting than a boring video for me. Go to Acrobatic, pages 47 to 49. Let's cut to the chase. If you need to understand sampling methods and survey methods, go to those pages and read them. Don't listen to me, a 10-minute video. Same thing at number 4. I'm talking about sampling types. You don't want to listen for me lecture out 12 different types of surveys. Get to those pages 47 to 49 and read through them. Acrobatic, pages 47 to 49, and you will find the resources to get through 1, 2, 3, and 4 on the homework. Number 5 and 6, now the topics are observational study, experimental study, lurking variables. Same thing for number 6. Same thing. I could sit here and list all the characteristics, there's some examples and so forth, but if you read those pages, you'll find them right there. We don't need a 10-minute video. Pages 53 to 55. Get to Acrobatic. And as far as probability, the last part of the homework, there's some numerical answers. I will have examples in video 2, but if you just need an overview of probability, a summary, for instance, question number 7, get to page 73. That gives you a very basic summary, and you'll be able to solve number 7. But like I said, the rest of the exercises, video number 2, I'll work through some specific examples in those cases. All right. At the very least, some housekeeping issues. For week number 6, you're going to get me this homework. Then I'll get you the midterm exams. That'll be due in the middle of week 7. I'll have that midterm due. Also, this week, week number 6, there's no problem with the week. I'm going to push that to week number 7. All right? So you get a free pass, as it were. And the last thing, checkpoints in Acrobatic. So I'm telling you the different pages to read in Acrobatic. But if you go to, say, page 50, there is some reading. There's a little sample. But at the very bottom here, it says checkpoint. Your obligation is to click on those checkpoints, and it'll say begin. And this is just like taking a test. I click right here. Oh, look at that, 5 attempts. So honestly, if you have 5 attempts to make mistakes and change things, you should be just fine on this test. Okay? So these little checkpoint tests, I'm looking for those. And how come I'm so making a note about it? Because here's my grade book. You'll notice that I have got a lot of blank spaces in there. I need those checkpoints completed. So I think that's one place we're going to step up our game. I'm looking for that. But at the end of week 6, other than that, video number 2 on probabilities coming. And also, we have the midterm after you get the homeworks in for this week.